Here's an update on this player. It's not working fully. It played my original demo disc fine. It plays pre-recorded albums, pre-recorded discs fine, but most home recorded discs, it has trouble finding the track name and then has trouble playing it. Listen to this. And the funny thing is, if you go to the end of the disc, it normally plays those a bit better. So unfortunately the problem still remains. It was partly fixed, it was working, it works for certain discs whereas it didn't before. So let's try that again. When it does find it, it tends to skip. Let's turn it up a bit. You can hear the skipping there. And it's not just the headphone socket or anything like that. I've tried it with and without remote, because you can actually see the numbers skipping forwards. But you play towards the end of the disc, and it plays much better at the end of the disc. So it has something to do with the position of the laser. So I don't really know what the problem is with it, but I've spent long enough on a pretty beaten up Minidisc player. I think I'm just going to set it aside. The only other two players that I think I might be able to fix from the Tecmo 15 have 2.5mm jack plugs. So I've got a saved search on eBay for 2.5mm for Panasonic remotes, and I'm just going to trawl through until I find one with a 2.5mm inline remote, because that's all I can do to troubleshoot it, is to see what's going on. So sorry about that. I thought it was a fix. It's only a partial fix. Works absolutely fine for pre-recorded, but if you've got any idea, I think it's the laser strength. I think the laser is beginning to die, and there's nowhere on the board, either side of the board, where I can adjust the laser strength. There's certain diagnostic tools you used to be able to get where you can do diagnostics and change the settings of the laser strength. But to be frank, for a Minidisc player that would cost maybe 30 quid if it was in a fairly decent condition and working, it's not worth any of my time. So hopefully you don't think it's a waste of time watching this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.